Hi guys, how are you today? And today is very exciting day because I just finished my placement, guys, for 4 weeks, and now I ordered something online, and then we're gonna unbox it now, and I'm gonna try it on. So it is a big box. Like, it's here, guys. I'll show you. So this one. So guys, we're gonna unbox that today and we will try it on. So I'll show you what it is. But before that, I'm just gonna strip off the bed because it's gonna go on the bed. So it's not something that's bad, but it's something nice. So I'm just gonna strip this bed off, put in the washing, and then, because I just love new things. New things baga. So I'm just gonna keep my old overlay. So guys, ito na siya. I will just take this off. So you probably know, guys, what I'm talking about. So ito na siya, guys. Mag-unboxing tayo at maglinis na rin. Lagyan ng bagong sheets. So, lagyan natin dito sa bed. Let's open it, guys. Oh my gosh, so excited. Struggle is real. So guys, it is a Super Sleeper Pro bed overlay something, and they have a gift that comes with it. It's they're actually on special, guys. If you wanna get 15% off discount, I'll put the link down below, so you get a $35 off. So I'll put the link down below, guys, for the discount code. And they have a, whoa, use me to open the Super Sleeper Pro. What? Oh, what is this? Huh? They have a what's this one? Certificate of Authenticity. Book of Sleeping. Thank you for the purchase. Whoever that is says good night. The book for sleeping. That's about sleeping. Did you know? It's like some tips so you get a good sleep. See there. So that's a book that comes with it. You got a slippers, free slippers. So guys, I'll make description below so you get 15% off the total price. Alright. And there's this one. And now let's open, guys. Ito na siya. Ito siya. So, ganyan siya kalaki. So, ano to siya, guys? Queen size. Queen size. I need a scissor. Where's my scissor? There, found it. They're just
Slippers?
slippers and a mask.
Don't you keep open. You can't see it.
No, that's...
No.
Look at it.
You can't see it. Over here.
Yeah, you can. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Hey, stand. Okay, you're gonna poke this. Good. TikTok na. So, ito siya guys, oh. Ayan siya. Galing pa daw sa China. Okay. Let's continue. Oh my God, ang hirap naman itong buksan. Ayan. Ang hirap mong buksan dito. Saan ba yung cutter? Ah. Sharp blades, be careful we keep others to children. Meron pa silang specialized cutter. Laka, lambot. I think I broke it. Oh no. The moment of truth. Laka is very small. Joke. Ay, good Lord. Oh, no, this is a queen size bed, guys. And then we have 2 free pillows. Oh my God, that's smell. Smells rubbery. See, that's the pillow, guys. That's the free pillow. 1, and then another 2. So there's 2 pillow all up. And this is the one you saw on the television advertisement. That's good. It's so soft. Oh, that's so soft. Oh, very soft. See how soft it is. So that's the one. It actually expands. Genuine, Acta Cool. So yes, 2 pillows there. Yun siya kapal. That's how thick it is. But it's gonna, I think it's gonna go more thicker. Oh, that's good. So that's, so 2 free pillows. And this one's a queen size one. Hello! How big it become? So dun siya that's the thickness. Now, good Lord, this is heavy. Uy. Hallelujah. Why did it become so heavy? How did it fit in the box like that? I don't know if this is the right position, but that'll do. Nah, it's all squashed in the middle. Just perfect fit for our bed. Oh God, it might take a while before it fits into shape. What's this thing? There's a barrier in between. It's supposed to be like this. It's a barrier in between. But it's alright. It's got a very thick. Huh?
Recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is it moving in the middle like that? So this is the now this is the how deep it is you can tuck in. Guys, see?
Husband's ultimate dream when he's married to Pinay. A bed separator. Yes! How are you going to get over my side now?
Yeah. Why is this got separator?
Huh?
Pull now.
No, it'll fold it. It's just the way it's folded.
I love that. Nadi, I think that's the guy who's gonna pick up the mask. Can you just let her choose? Huh? Love that.
Oh, really? Huh?
Look, it's so soft.
Oh, we do that.
It makes our bed higher. So yan siya guys. It's so soft.
It comes in the kitchen.
Soft. It's really soft, alright? Oh gosh. It's so soft. And the pillow. It's so good. This one will flatten because it's just got folded. But it will be good when it's... Oh, that's so soft. Super duper soft. See? Super soft. Here we are. That one will flatten soon. But it's really good, guys. See? It's very thick. And this is how deep the one you can put the thing. And that's the pillow. So guys, if you want to buy, look at the description down below and you get $35 off or 15% off. See how soft it is. So soft. I love it. I love it. Ready? There? Yeah, it's so soft, guys. It's so soft. Now we need to put the sheets, bed sheets on. But you're gonna flatten this first. It makes our bed higher. Oh my god, that is so soft. See, bouncy. Is she trying it on?
Is she?
Look, you sunk in it, right?
Try it again.
Are you serious?
They're like, yes. Means she can sleep on this side of the bed. Huh?
No,